The art of Stoic meditation, cultivating inner strength and tranquility. In the quiet solitude of our minds, where thoughts and emotions converge, lies the potential for profound transformation. The ancient practice of Stoic meditation offers a path to inner strength and tranquility, guiding us to overcome destructive emotions and embrace a life of self-control and fortitude. Through the teachings of renowned Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, we uncover the art of Stoic meditation, a practice that not only calms the mind, but also fortifies the spirit. 1. The practice of premeditatio malorum. One of the core techniques of Stoic meditation is premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. This practice involves envisioning potential challenges and adversities before they occur. As Seneca advised, he robs present ills of their power, who has perceived their coming beforehand. By mentally preparing for the worst, we reduce the impact of unexpected events and cultivate resilience. This foresight allows us to face difficulties with composure and clarity, transforming fear into strength. 2. Reflecting on daily actions. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, made it a habit to reflect on his daily actions. Each night, he would examine his thoughts and behaviors, asking himself how he could improve. In his meditations, he wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." This daily reflection fosters self-awareness and encourages continuous personal growth. By acknowledging our shortcomings and celebrating our virtues, we build a foundation of self-control and fortitude. 3. Embracing the dichotomy of control. At the heart of Stoic meditation is the understanding of the dichotomy of control. Epictetus taught, "Some things are in our control and others not." During meditation, we focus on distinguishing between what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and what lies beyond our control. This clarity helps us release the burden of external circumstances and concentrate our energy on cultivating inner peace and strength. Accepting this dichotomy liberates us from the tyranny of uncontrollable events and empowers us to live with purpose. 4. Contemplation of impermanence. The Stoics recognized the transient nature of life. Marcus Aurelius reflected, "Loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight." In meditation, we contemplate the impermanence of all things, relationships, possessions, even life itself. This contemplation deepens our appreciation for the present moment and reduces our attachment to transient things. By embracing impermanence, we develop a resilient spirit that can adapt to change and find peace amidst life's flux. 5. Visualizing the sage. Another powerful Stoic meditation involves visualizing the ideal Stoic sage, a figure embodying perfect wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. This sage serves as a role model, inspiring us to strive for these virtues in our own lives. As Seneca stated, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you." By envisioning the sage, we internalize their qualities and align our actions with the highest ideals. This visualization guides us towards moral excellence and inner strength. 6. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a central theme in Stoic meditation. Marcus Aurelius urged, "Take full account of what excellencies you possess, and in gratitude, remember how you would hanker after them if you had them not." During meditation, we reflect on the blessings in our lives, cultivating a deep sense of gratitude. This practice shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering contentment and reducing destructive emotions like envy and dissatisfaction. 7. Silence and stillness. Finally, the Stoics valued silence and stillness as pathways to inner tranquility. In the quiet of meditation, we detach from the noise of the external world and connect with our inner selves. This stillness allows us to listen to our inner voice, gain clarity, and strengthen our resolve. As Epictetus taught, silence is safer than speech. In this silence, we find the strength to confront our fears, overcome our weaknesses, and cultivate a serene and resilient mind. By integrating these Stoic meditative practices into our daily lives, we embark on a journey towards inner fortitude and tranquility. Let us walk this path together, inspired by the wisdom of the Stoics, as we strive to cultivate a life of profound self-control and unwavering strength. Through the art of Stoic meditation, we learn to navigate the storms of life with calm and clarity, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. Together, we can build a life of enduring strength and tranquility, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism.